On the off chance that not the overall population, crypto fans had known for a couple of years that Doge partakes in a huge bull run versus BTC in the event that it falls into a specific interest zone. In 4.5 years, Doge effectively had 7 goes against BTC, and this, by 2019-2020, crashed numerous financial backers' trust in Doge's significant appreciation. Then, at that point, on December 20, 2020, as Bitcoin accomplished new all-time highs achievements, image ruler Elon Musk, circling back to his several past Dogecoin tweets, tweeted single word Doge when Musk tweeted, SpaceX will put an exacting Dogecoin on the strict moon months after the fact. Dogecoin had risen 5,200% against Bitcoin in around 90 days. Like vultures to a corpse, this subsequent run attracted financial backers to Doge and other meme coins. In spite of what Dogecoin's base would maintain that you should accept, will Doge's new market pattern be cheerfully ever later? In the wake of examining the set of experiences cost of Dogecoin from 2019 to introduce day, we should get ourselves watching out for conceivable playouts of Doge before very long. An expectation of Doge's future development depends on its utilization case relevance, similarly for what it's worth with different coins. In fact, Doge is supposed to keep up with its bullish construction for the following 3 to 4 years, taking into account its past on the off chance that Doge endeavors to rehash the value examples of 2021 before very long. 2023 till 2025. We expect a comparable pattern in 2023, 2024, and 2025, assuming that the example is kept up with to such an extent that Doge exchanges as high as $2 or close. We expect a comparative pattern in 2023, 2024, and 2025 on the off chance that the example is kept up with to such an extent that Doge exchanges as high as $2 or close. Generally, Dogecoin mining ease has consistently kept the altcoin on the front seat. Additionally, this year the most well-known crypto trades like Gemini and eToro have recorded Doge, making the cost take off. Then again, the way that the computerized cash misses the mark on incredible worth adversely influences Dogecoin. Many believe it is a hypothesis, and on the off chance that this conviction stays unaltered, its cost can encounter extraordinary trouble at breaking out of $0.4. Because of the rising number of digital forms of money in Southeast Asian nations, the cost of Dogecoin diminished. In any case, it recuperated rapidly and finished the year at $0.002. For the vast majority of 2019, Dogecoin exchanged sideways. By December 2019, it was exchanging at $0.0020. The cost of Dogecoin began the year at $0.002. It then improved consistently and arrived at a high of $0.003 in February. Bitcoin's cost rally prompted an expansion in Doge's worth. The famous image coin performed well during this period, as it acquired broad consideration after it nearly multiplied in cost in only one day. Following different occasions, including Elon Musk's help, the cost of Doge expanded by 15,000% on May 8. The adverse consequences of the SNL occasion on the Dogecoin cost were additionally exacerbated by the market decline that happened on May 19. This brought about the cost of Dogecoin tumbling to around $0.168. Doge 2030 and then some. Regardless of whether Doge reach $1, you need to comprehend that digital money markets remain very unstable, making it challenging to precisely foresee a coin's cost in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. Thusly, there is plausible examiners misunderstand their forecasts. Dogecoin specialized examination. When you concentrate on Doge's line outline underneath, doesn't it appear to be a piece strange for a position number 10 can market cap coin? You're seeing the impact when an individual has a lot of effect on a digital money coin market development. Might you at any point envision the force at which Doge rose and fell without taking any breathing space? I'm certain expected long-haul holders could most likely be lamenting they didn't join the paper hands bunch. I'm not articulating Doge's destruction. Nobody is saying Doge is biting the dust. I just expressed the market's undeniable pattern. Sit down and unwind as we plunge into dissecting Doge's pattern involving specialized apparatuses to anticipate its future development for the next few years. It was made in 2013 as a joke cash by two computer programmers, Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. While the Dogecoin subreddit shaped on December 8, Billy and Jackson made the Dogecoin bitcointic.org profile on December 6. CoinMarketCap's cost tracker recorded Dogecoin's most memorable authority cost on December 15, 2013. CoinMarketCap revealed a $0.000558 and $0.000297 open and close cost. Doge's cost had still not ascended by December 15, 2014. Shutting at $0.00018882. It was only after April 2017 that Dogecoin saw a fairly significant cost climb, hitting $0.000746 toward the month's end and 2 cents during the January 2018 digital money bubble. It would, nonetheless, return to a cost of $0.002346 toward the finish of 2018, preceding its extreme ascent during 2021. In this video, we will begin breaking down Doge's cost development from 2023. As plainly displayed in the above graph, Doge never had any huge ascent or fall in its cost until January 2023. From 2019 till 2020, the exchanging volume was pretty much as low as water in a desert's heart. The new posting opens Dogecoin to exactly 20 million clients spread across the globe. Not long from that point forward, Gemini declared it would participate in supporting the image-based crypto, adding fuel to Doge's vertical direction. Extra purchasing tension might have originated from Genius Ball Club Oakland Sports' choice to sell tickets for Dogecoin. In a declaration on Monday, the Significant Association Ball Club said it was selling 2-seat units for 100 Doge, $48.80 at the hour of compassing, for its 3-match series against the Toronto Blue Jays. While some recognize the run-up could be attached to Elon Musk's facilitated stretch on Saturday Night Live, where it was a sure thing, the cryptographic money would essentially get a name check. More superstars joined the temporary fad. The most recent superstar culinary specialist, and Image himself, Fellow Fieri, utilized the enchanted words "to the moon" in one of his tweets around then. From that point forward, it has been making worse high points and worse low points due to intraday bullish and negative dismissals till it tracked down its direction down to an all-around, laid out April 23 help, and from that point forward, the cost has been running with no unequivocal development till this day, retesting the help over and again all through the last quarter of the year. What is Dogecoin? From its actual plan, Dogecoin was not intended to be treated in a serious way. Dogecoin is the quickest and most straightforward crypto you can purchase as a venture, cash, or spend like assets. Use cases. Dogecoin gets its worth from the accompanying use cases. As a mechanism of trade, less compromising variant of Bitcoin, Dogecoin raised $25,000 for the Jamaican bobsleigh group to highlight an Olympics. Dogecoin raised $50,000 for giving Africa admittance to drinking water. Merchants presently acknowledge Doge for purchasing supercars, booking lodgings, film memberships. Lower exchange no shrewd agreement, absence of dApps. Speculation. Dogecoin has a colossal exchanging volume interest. Elements of Dogecoin. A token's market cap must be determined by increasing its cost by coursing supply. Dogecoin's cost is under $1, yet has a market cap of